How to use Pay Later in Flipkart. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to use Pay Later in Flipkart. First, log into your Flipkart account. Then open My Account. In the Account section, click on the Flipkart Pay Later option. Here, you will see all the details and an option to activate the feature. Now, enter your PAN card number. After that, click on Active Now. A new page will open where you can enter your authored card number. Then, click on Continue. A page with terms and conditions will open. After reading, click on Agree and Submit. In the end, enter your UPI ID or bank details for verification. After that, click on Verify and Submit. After checking your eligibility, you'll be provided with a Flipkart Pay Later credit and EMI limit. It is very simple to unlock Flipkart Pay Later and take all its benefits. But if you're new, these steps will guide you through the process. When done, you will find Flipkart Pay Later on the checkout page. Once your Pay Later option is activated and ready to use, you can easily select the option while checking out. You can use Flipkart Pay Later while placing an order and add your desired products to the cart. When done, proceed to checkout. In the end, select Flipkart Pay Later as your payment mode. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.